Do you know it's so easy to make granola from the comfort of your kitchen? And trust me, when you start doing this by yourself, you will never buy granola again from the stores. Now come closer, let me show you how to make this delicious granola if you don't know how. Lovelies, these are all the ingredients you need to make your own granola at home, and know that you can play around with other things, switch things to suit your own preference. And we'll be using this child seed and almond nuts. This is totally optional. You can choose to switch your almond nuts with your peanuts, okay, but if you can afford this, I recommend it. Next, you will need your fruits, and this is banana and apple. You can use any apple of your choice. You can use the red apple or the green apple. This is red apple. I've removed the skin and I diced it into that. So if you have overripe banana, please do not throw that away. This is a good recipe, you can include that in. Next, you will need cashew nuts, raisins, coconuts. This is already shredded. You can choose to use coconut flakes. Next is this cinnamon powder and your nutmeg. Please do not skip this, very important. And this is vanilla flavor. Finally, you will need your oats. This is the most important of them all because it's the base to make your granola. And this is rolled oats, but you can use instant oats. I prefer to use this one. So now to begin, you want to add your extra virgin olive oil into a bowl. This is the brand I'm using. Next, you want to go in with your pure honey, and one quick hack for you to get all your honey out without struggling is by using the same thing you use for your oil to pour in your honey. That way everything will just slide out evenly without struggle, without sticking to your jar you are using for measurements. Next, you want to go in with your vanilla essence and give everything a good mix. I like to do this separate. I don't like to pour everything all at once into my dry ingredients. I like to do this separate so that everything is going to mix very well before I pour it into the dry ingredients. So now you want to add your fruits. That's if you are using fresh fruits like I'm using, you want to add it into your wet ingredients and give everything a good mix. I used to grate my bananas and my apples, but not anymore. I love it this way because I got to see my fruits when I'm eating my granola and it tastes so good. Now over to your dry ingredients. You want to add a pinch of salt to your oats, and next you want to add your nutmeg and your cinnamon powder. Now give everything a good mix so that it can marry well together. They will be well combined. Next, you want to go in with your nuts and your seeds. You want to add everything in and give it a good mix. Sometimes I like to cut my almond nuts into smaller pieces, but today we are leaving it like this. So it's time now for you to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and give everything a good mix so that they can marry well together. And if you want your granola to come out scattered and crunchy when you are done making it, then this part is very important. You want to be mindful of the quantity of liquid you add to your granola, because the more liquidy it is, the more it's going to join together and it's not going to be scattered when you are done. So you want to be mindful of that, okay? Now add some coconut to this and add the rest ones when it is almost ready. So I'm going to give this a good mix and add some to this bowl so that I can get all my goodness out from the bowl. Don't mind me. If you're like me, that is a bit extra, you can do this. So can you see the texture? Can you see how my granola is looking? This way I know it's not going to join together when I'm done making it. But if your granola is looking soggy or soaked in liquid, then know that you are going to have a granola that is joined together like granola bars. If that is what you are going for, that is how you can do that to achieve it, okay? So now you want to pour into your oven tray, then bake. Just spread it out like so. If you are still with me up until now, then type granola in the comment section. That way I will know you stay with me till this point. And this is the perfect time for you to hit on that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed, and give this video a massive thumbs up so that it will be shared to others who might also find it helpful. Thank you so much. When baking, you want to check on it every 5 to 10 minutes. Then you want to flip it to the other side so that the other parts can bake also. Don't just leave it in the oven and go and sleep. You want to be checking on it so that it does not get burnt. This is the second time I'm bringing this out to check on it. After mixing it, after turning it to the other side, I'm going to put it back into the oven and check it in another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I've brought it out from the oven again, and this time it is almost ready. Can you see how the color is? It is darker than the way it was before. It is brown. Now is the perfect time for you to add your other coconuts. Spread it out and take it back to the oven and allow it to bake for extra 5 minutes, and bring it out and your granola is ready. Now is the perfect time to add your raisins to your granola. Your granola is fully ready, and you don't want to add your raisins while you are still baking in the oven because it's going to burn. This burns really fast. If it burns, it's going to taste bitter, and I know you don't want that. So just give this a good mix and your granola is ready. This is so crunchy and it tastes so delicious. So you want to add this into an airtight container when it is cold, just like this one. And I was able to fill 2 containers. The funniest part is that this granola does not last in my house up to 1 week. It is finished and I'll start to make another one again. So yeah, it tastes so good, so delicious. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. I'm Faith Uche. You know I love you, right? Lots of kisses and bye for now. Mwah!